Excellency, Governor of State, Right Honorable Sheriff Francis Oborevwori, I vote on behalf of the leadership and continuance of this council, including the continuance of Perpetrators. Oh, let's see. Deputy Governor, our boss, you are welcome. So thank you most sincerely for the briefing you are giving to us. We can assure you that we are the same thing. The security of any kingdom translates to the security of the whole state. We will work with you. In short, we are committed today, after this meeting, we will condemn this bastard killing of servicemen. We can assure you, Your Excellency, that nobody, no career owner would like to shield criminal, because we know the implication of shielding such people. It will bring disaster to our kingdom, and that is not what we want. We will work with the government to make sure that peace is returned to that community and peace is returned to better state. But one thing we want to advise Your Excellency, that there should be investigation, court of inquiry. If the new thing, we know they do their own court of inquiry, but at the same level, we also want something to be done so that we can see that thing will not happen in the future in this week. Once again, I want to thank Your Excellency for the briefing. Most of us are now well informed, because there are a lot of speculation in social media, people having their different views. But now we have heard from our leader, it's what he has told us that we tell our people. Thank you. I drop next.
Enjoying this for last year. We went this expected crisis, the 7th of February, someone Oliver, American, Bomadi local government, and the leadership of Okuama community police now. Also invited the member representatives, the constituency, council chair, and the state leader. And I find them that what of the happening to that area, we want them to maintain peace. We signed this support ourselves. Or not all that. Please act on the 4 army officers and the soldiers, the facility of the sons. Came at the root of wars. And when this happened, we not to happen. I immediately called National Special Advisor, called Defense South, and 2 other South. Then I was in Abuja, this happened. So after right back, came back, and also issued a prayer. On Monday, during the 18th, went to Bomadi, all the security chiefs, the other security council meeting, got briefing from the brigade commander, attendance of the attendance is the GOC CC, Major General Salam, and the Brigadier Commander, Rear Admiral Wike. After the briefing, the meeting went to Abuja to meet the president. I have to brief the president because you can't just go and see Mr. President start getting full details of what happened. Brief Mr. President. After briefing Mr. President, went to see the Chief Minister. So discuss with him how we can. I can slow down. What is relevant? Really bad. And also, management the discussion on my side. So they are this. I felt that it's also about even though you have to get back away. Also, talk with exceptional ambulance. Those people who committed that evil act must face the wrath of the law. We don't shoot those people. Because Delta State is governed within the tenets of the rule of law and human decency. You cannot tolerate that. Don't accept it. That's never happened in this state before. So we lost a lieutenant colonel, 2 majors, 1 captain, and 13 soldiers. We will not allow that to happen. But the question is, it has happened. What do we do? It's to fish out those who are involved. Any kingdom, this is our point to know. Any kingdom that is hiding there, you should know that that job to face similar. Don't hide anybody. Don't shield anybody. Chief Minister, the President, all of us, they've also assured that innocent people will not be dismayed. It's only when you deny. Anybody that denies will not go free. Not go free. So I don't like, I did not come and brief people. I brief people, I told you, nobody cheat them. They are in your kingdom, feed them out. You know, they will bring trouble to your kingdom. Any traditional ruler who is cheating any criminal, or any of those persons that have committed evil acts, that traditional ruler will also have this problem. Because what is happening is not what we bargain for. Bargain for peace. And I was promised that I'm coming for all that. To bring the development, the democracy to our people, not to bring problems to our people. They want crisis. Also, I got information that some other two villages are also going to fight. They should not. There's one village, Nugele South, one village, Bomadi. They fight, that is their problem. To face it. This is not the time to fight. This is not the time. How are we fighting for? All of us are ready. We want development. I promise you that I'm going to do more for you people. I'm going to listen to you people. I promise that. I'm going to ensure peace and security. That was what I'm experiencing now. For the first time, almost 2 decades, we had peace in December. And people were celebrating Wari and then viral. Now, communal prices. Why? I condemn it to accept it. So please, my dear royal fathers, please with you, let us be on the same page to fish out these evil people. That is be on the same page. Don't allow these people who committed this act, this evil act, to come to your kingdom and bring problems to your people. I don't want tomorrow to say I did not come and tell you. I have come to tell you that you know. Tell your people, tell your president general, your new president, anyone in your community, expose them. Tell us who will handle out there 30 years. You know, the army will not allow their rifle to go. You can't kill your people at the same time with the rifles. We have to tell you as well, you know. There's no duplication. We should not play politics with what is happening now. Not play politics with me. I am not sentimental. People who voted me, not by my power. We have to support me to succeed. Will you not support me to succeed? Yes. So all these criminals will figure out. So don't say that army are taking over your village. Because they can't just come to your village without getting information. But I assure you people that no innocent person will be victimized. We have to try generals here. The chairman of the council is retired general. Around here, Royal Majesty, the advice myself. When he was national coordinator for amnesty program, I was the state coordinator for amnesty program. So there is no duplication. It's an appeal. Don't hide anyone. You hide anyone, you bring them to your kingdom. We have informers everywhere. We have no give us information. So that when they strike in your community, don't say that you are blaming anybody. You are forced problem to yourself. By the time you expose the people, you make the community, your kingdom safe. And tell your people that use social media, what has happened is you have to condemn it. It has happened this thing, but what happens? You have to one community, what happened to that community? When you encourage crisis, you encourage crisis, you can't come out of it. So, sorry that I want to say people without notice because of the urgency. I'm sure that some of these people are still around us, are still within our communities. Expose them. Then your community will be free. All of us will be free. Let us state continue to enjoy this. My prayer is that these faith should go up. And I want to assure you again that no innocent community or anybody who is innocent that will be victimized or they will be attacked or anything. Two army staff assured me that any community is not involved, but when you harbour anybody, don't harbour, expose them. Better to expose them, give us information, get them arrested. How can kill somebody, kill them, behead them? Where is it happening? So because of land. It can be there for many years. Not today. After signing this accord, some people don't have knowledge of what is happening, they start talking. And the government has not spoken. The government has not spoken. Because the matter is not issue, you just go and start talking. They are too sensitive. So what I did was to bring the commander-in-chief first. After my press statement, press release, I went to meet the commander-in-chief to brief him of the happening, and I was interviewed by the State House correspondent. So you don't just take everything, go into the press and start talking.